I am Luca Mora, I am the president of the Angeli Prodotti. The Angeli Prodotti is an Italian company. We have two main lines of business. A very important one is the conductors for overhead line for high voltage power transmission. And then we make a very wide portfolio of products for the windings of transformers, motors and generators. In this site in Italy we have about 500 people and we make a turnover altogether of 300 million euros.
I'm Heini Kloster. I am the product manager of conductor cores at Exel Composites. Exel Composites produces carbon fiber rods which are used in conductor cores. We use production process called pultrusion. We can tailor the shape, we can tailor the sizes, and we can tailor the delivery lengths based on customer requirements.
Recently there is a very strong pressure coming for the electrification of the economy and the decarbonization. In Europe, there is a growing awareness. It is necessary to change the technologies. The traditional conductors are based on a strand member made of galvanized steel wire, which is heavy. With the new advanced conductors, you can run them at high temperature and double the capacity. We believe the advanced conductors are perfect for the power grids all around the world. The composite core is wonderful because of the lightweight, the strength, and the little elongation at high temperature. A ACCM solution is, in our opinion, the top product that we offer to the market because it is very safe and very flexible. One of the advantages of a CCM solution is that it is very easy to install and very fast. The fittings are similar to the ones used for standard conductors and no special supervision is requested. We developed the ACCM solution together with Exel because we need a very strong partner in control of the pultrusion technology. We visited the company several years ago. We understood they had this capacity and they were very happy as well to invest to develop enough production capacity requested by the clients.
Our cooperation with De Angeli is based on open communication and sharing the expertise. Both companies highly value the innovation and product development, so we are a good pair to create high-quality products together.
We are very happy to work with Exel Composites because they are very friendly people and very knowledgeable, and we created during the year a very strong team together.
I'm Vittoria Bottin and I'm sales manager for the overhead lines conductors in the Angeli Prodotti. Sustainability is at the center of our strategy. In fact, all our products are devoted to the energy transition. In addition, we are planning to use biogas for our generators and to cover the roof with solar panels to reach the goal of having 100% of our energy produced by renewables. We have a team of engineers dedicated to the sustainability and they produce, for example, LCAs, so life cycles assessments, and EPDs, environmental product declarations about our products. We're proud to say that the CCM is enabling the green transition.
We want to increase our collaboration with Exel and we are working very strict together and for sure we will even increase the partnership in the future.
Together with De Angeli, we want to shape the future of electrical transmission. Composites make all of this possible.